Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you two quick and easy DIY masks. One is going to be for our hair and the other one is going to be for our face. All you're going to need are 3 ingredients. I have this organic raw honey, an egg, and coconut oil. Now honestly you can do this with just an egg and coconut oil, but I love putting honey on my face. It's really good for acne and acne scars and nourishment, so I just decided to throw that in there. We're going to start off with 2 little containers in our egg. You're going to want to separate the egg white from the egg yolk, so just kind of toss the yolk back and forth in the shell a couple of times, and we're going to set the egg whites aside for now, and we're going to focus on the egg yolk, and this is going to be for our hair mask. So I threw in some of that coconut oil, probably about a teaspoon or so, but then I realized I was going to need a little more. I have long hair, so it needs to coat everything well. I mixed it all together, and then I'm going to set that aside for now. And now we're going to do our face mask. So we're going to take the egg white, and I'm going to add some of that honey inside and mix it around as best as I can. Again, you can omit the honey part and just put the egg white on your face. It'll work just as well. And then I'm going to take my little hairband out, put my hair down, and I'm going to be putting that hair mask all the length of my little ponytail. And by ponytail, I mean just like about from my neck down. I don't put anything in the scalp. Although you can, but my hair is really thin and it gets greasy, so I don't like putting coconut oil on the scalp. But if you want to, you are more than welcome to do that. You're gonna have to work with this a little fast because the egg yolk does kind of stiffen, so you want to make sure you work a little quickly, and I'm making sure to put everything on my ends. That's where I have the most damage and it's just the most dry. It gets removed really quickly. Just shampoo it once or twice and you'll be good to go. Now we're going to move on to the face mask. I'm going to put all of that on my skin, let it dry, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please try these recipes out and let me know how you like them, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!